How to fix TenTen app not working 2026. Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes that can help get the app working again. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or has a strong mobile data connection. An unstable connection is one of the most common reasons why the TenTen app may not load properly. Next, update the app. Open the App Store and search for TenTen. If you see an Update button instead of Open, tap Update to install the latest version. Many bugs are fixed with app updates. If the app is already up to date, try offloading it. Open the Settings app. Tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Scroll down and select TenTen. Tap Offload App, then tap Offload App again to confirm. This removes the app while keeping your documents and data. After that, tap Reinstall App to install it again. If you're still having problems, delete and reinstall the app. Press and hold the TenTen app icon. Tap Remove App, then select Delete App. Now, open the App Store, search for TenTen, and install it again.
Finally, restart your iPhone and open the app to see if the issue has been fixed. If the app still isn't working, it may be due to a temporary server outage or a bug in the latest version. In that case, wait for a future update or contact the TenTen support team for assistance. And that's it. Those are the best ways to fix the TenTen app if it's not working on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, app fixes, and how-to tutorials.